Surfshark Linux app now supports Flatpak. All Surfshark VPN servers got an upgrade, this and many more updates coming right up. But before that, if you're looking to level up your privacy online, Surfshark is the best app for the job. Featuring tools like a VPN, antivirus, or alternative ID will help you secure every aspect of your online persona. Just for viewers of our update videos, use the code SharkTube to get 3 additional months when buying Surfshark. Alright, let's kick off this episode with that Surfshark Linux app Flatpak update. This has been requested for a really long time, and we're glad to officially announce that yes, Surfshark Linux app is now available via Flatpak. What this means is that now you're able to install Surfshark on way more Linux distros than before. Previously, the app worked best on Ubuntu, but this Flatpak update expands the support even further. Not only that, Flatpak will allow a smoother delivery of app updates and many other benefits. It's available on flathub.org. Here, just search for Surfshark and it should appear as the first result. Now, you may notice that the app is not yet verified, but rest assured it is safe to use and our team is looking into getting it verified as soon as possible. Earlier this year, Surfshark also launched the app on the Snap Store, but we've heard your feedback and we also have passionate Linux developers in the team who wanted to bring Flatpak support over to the Surfshark Linux app. By the way, Surfshark VPN servers have been fully upgraded. That's right, all Surfshark servers are now 10 gigabit. What this means is faster connection times, more stability, quicker speeds, and even less crowded servers in general. You might remember that a while ago, some Surfshark servers already were upgraded to 10 gigabit, but now you should see these benefits across all Surfshark locations. However, keep in mind that your speeds and latency still highly depend on the VPN server you're connected to in terms of your physical location and distance to that server. So we always recommend using the nearest country or fastest location option in the app for the best experience. But nonetheless, technology keeps improving, so we'll update you if Surfshark servers get any kind of upgrade ever again. Okay, this next update has been requested for a really long time, and we're super excited to announce that Bypasser is now coming soon to the Surfshark iOS app. Bypasser is the perfect feature for when you want sites or services to skip the VPN and use your regular connection instead. This can be really helpful if any particular website you're accessing is having trouble loading or displaying content while using a VPN. Or you can also add a website that you trust. You'll be able to access Bypasser by going to the settings, then VPN settings, and scroll down just a tiny bit, and there it is. From here, just tap on Add Website and enter the URL of the site that you want to skip the VPN. You can then remove the site at any time or disable Bypasser altogether as well. One thing you might notice is that as of today, you aren't able to add apps to the Bypasser list. However, there is a simple workaround that you can use. Simply go to your iOS settings, then head to Privacy and Security, App Privacy Report, choose the app you wish to bypass, then tap Show All. Here, you'll see all the most active sites the app uses to work. So from here, we simply need to add the top 4 most active URLs to the Bypasser so the app doesn't use a VPN. I'd actually recommend taking a screenshot of this page and then using the Photos app to quickly copy URLs and paste them into the Bypasser. Like I've said, this is a workaround for now to add apps to Bypasser, and it's not exactly convenient. However, the team is looking into adding native app bypassing at some point in the future. But yeah, that's Bypasser on the Surfshark iOS app coming at you very soon. It's a gradual rollout, so you will be getting this update at some point during this month. Let us know what you think of it in the comments below. There's also some exciting news for all VPN-only Surfshark users, as there's a new free version of Surfshark Alert now available to everyone called the Data Leak Checker. It is very similar to Surfshark Alert, and it will show you if your email address has ever been leaked online. As you can see, one of my emails has been leaked a whopping 17 times, which is a lot, and it also shows me a couple of websites that got breached with that email address. Not only that, it will let you know if your email was targeted by malware. So again, even if you don't have Surfshark Alert, you can try this out, and I'll leave a link in the description below to this tool. And if you like it, consider upgrading to Surfshark Alert with the Surfshark One subscription, as it will provide you more details about specific websites that leaked your information, let you protect more private details like your credit cards and IDs, give you instant notifications to let you know when leaks happen, and much more. You may also wish to know about the latest news and things happening in the cybersecurity world. And the best way to get quick, Fast and easy to read news is to subscribe to the Surfshark blog newsletter. Once you subscribe, you'll get the latest cybersecurity news right into your email inbox, such as how this company openly stated about listening to its smartphone users, or news about smart home devices like smart doorbells collecting data about you. Besides the news, the Surfshark newsletter also includes tips on how to stay more secure online, such as how to not fall for the QR code phishing attacks, how to safely shop during the holiday season, or tips on how to get rid of email spam. So overall, it's just a really neat way to stay up to date on what's happening in the cyber world, and best of all, well, it's free. Click the link in the description and subscribe to the Surfshark newsletter. Next newsletter is arriving very soon, so stay tuned. Let's now go over some of the Surfshark app-specific updates. The Surfshark Android app gets some fixes with the version 3.10, improving app stability as well as making the app better at recognizing your fastest VPN location. Oh, and the app VPN connection screen now works better with devices that have larger fonts. On the Windows side of things, it too had an update to version 5.9. The main change here is that now the app will primarily use the x64 architecture moving forward. This won't affect you if you are running Windows device from the last 10 years or so. However, if you still have a PC that's still on Windows 10 32-bit version, then you will need to download the Surfshark Legacy app available here on the Surfshark blog, which I'll link below. Most computers nowadays already run 64-bit versions of Windows anyway, so this shouldn't impact many users at all, but still, I thought it would be very important to inform you. I also want to inform you that Surfshark's dedicated IP just received 2 new locations. One from the US in Denver and another in Singapore. Remember, dedicated IP in the simplest terms is a premium VPN experience. They make it easier to work remotely. Dedicated IPs are less likely to fall into any website block lists. It's also easier to access services or sites that are sensitive to IP changes. And my favorite feature, or really side effect of using a dedicated IP, is less captcha requests when doing searches online. So definitely consider trying Surfshark's dedicated IP if you haven't already. I'll again leave a link below to where you can get it. And of course, we'll update you in the future if any new dedicated IP locations get released. Speaking of the future, Surfshark product updates will now be sent quarterly instead of monthly. You may already have noticed that the cadence of videos has slowed down and not every newsletter features a video. It's natural that some months may have more updates than, let's say, other months. So again, instead, now at the end of every quarter, so that's every 3 months, you'll get a much bigger, much more comprehensive, and much more of a jam-packed update every few months. Now, if it's your first Surfshark update video that you're watching, then make sure to check out the previous episode, which I'll leave right here, where we shared info about the latest feature from Surfshark, Alternative Number. I'll see you in that video, and bye for now.